today we're going to do a tropical table arrangement. The reason why we're using tropical flowers is because it's often overlooked and you can get it anywhere in Malaysia. You don't have to go to the store and get it. You can go to the supermarket. It's all there. Have you had any
flower arrangement abilities? No.
experience?
No.
No.
No abilities, no experience.
With it.
So I'm a virgin when it comes to this. Usually I just like stick everything in a vase. Firstly, what is this green thing?
What is this? Okay, this is, you call it the floral foam.
Oh yeah, it says that.
Yes, we have to soak it first. It will sink on its own, so you don't force it. If you force it, then the water doesn't go right in the middle. So when you cut it, there's like a dry patch. And when you chochok, the flower
when
won't
you
get
poke,
any water
poke.
source lah. So this is the important thing here.
And you can get this in any flower shop?
Any flower shop.
Okay.
Ili,
Flowers.
do you know what this is?
This fern.
Close,
fern?
yes. It's a paku leaf. Fern lah.
Fern.
Okay, it's fern. This one?
Ginger.
Ginger flower.
Oh.
And this is what you call a Mocara orchid.
Oh. These are local in Malaysia, right?
Local as well. Yeah,
Okay.
so this is anthurium, like Sam said. It looks fake, but actually they're real.
Sam's our cameraman.
Yeah.
By the way.
They are really cheap. You can get it like $2.50 per stalk.
Oh really?
Yeah.
Oh wow.
Yeah. And we have this foliage. These are called ruscus. These are Italian ruscus. Italian ruscus is a bit more pricey, but it has this really nice dainty look compared to this one, which is a normal ruscus. So you can see that it's not shiny, it's a bit more sturdier.
Yeah. Okay.
And last but not least, it's called the dancing lady.
I love this. This is so beautiful.
It is so beautiful.
My grandmother used to grow this orchid in her,
No
like,
way.
yeah, but we couldn't go near it. Couldn't touch it.
See?
Okay, so
Buy lah.
okay,
You
bye.
just buy it, okay? This is called the iron leaf.
Oh wow.
Yeah, so we do a lot of wrapping with our arrangements in this. So
Oh,
today we're
yeah.
going to use it as
It's
a
like a
wrapper.
ribbon. It's like a big ribbon. Oh, wrapper. Sorry.
Like wrapper, oh.
Okay.
First and foremost, we have to do this. We have to wrap our foam. Since we're not using a vase,
Okay.
so this is a cheaper version. So we're using this cellophane to wrap the foam so that the water doesn't seep through.
Oh,
So
God.
yeah, okay, like this, and then you measure it, and then you cut it a little bit if you have an extra.
So you want it to be like halfway? is it?
Halfway, yeah. Wrap it like you're wrapping a gift.
Like a gift.
Yeah.
Okay. So you get a big one.
So you get a big one and you just wrap the whole thing,
So-
wrap it around, yeah?
So it becomes like more sturdy lah.
Correct.
Okay.
Yeah, so there you go, you have your vase. Yay!
Cheap vase.
Cheap vase. Alright, next we're gonna wrap the foam with the iron leaves. Alright, so we're gonna measure the
Okay.
foam. Okay, it's a little bit too long, right?
Yeah.
And we don't want the hard end out. It's gonna be difficult for you to pin it and fold it later on. So you might want to cut it a little bit. Okay.
You want to overlap it, is it?
Overlap it, yeah.
Overlap it like this,
Yeah.
is it? Okay.
So once
That.
cross each other, right?
Yeah.
So you take a pin.
Okay. Oh,
Okay.
these are nice pins.
These are nice ones. So you
Yeah.
take your mom's one or whatever, whoever's. So you just
Poke it straight in.
poke it straight in. You want your arrangement to look beautiful, make it more artsy, you know, like, but effortless at the same time.
Okay.
So the rule is we start with the biggest flower
And then we
to the
build.
smallest.
Oh.
And then you go to the leaves and the greens on.
to fill it up.
Correct.
Oh, okay. Quite big.
This one is big, yeah. So we start with this because we want it to be a focal flower. So the rule is you have to cut it diagonally.
Okay. Why is that?
Reason being is because the surface area for the flower to drink is bigger than if you cut it straight like this.
Ah,
Yeah.
okay.
Cut it.
Okay.
Good job. You wanna stick it right in the middle
because it's the focal.
correct.
Okay.
And then secondly, we take the green anthurium. Okay, and you cut
And you
diagonally
cut-
as well, but
How far?
okay, you want it to be slightly the same height as the focal flower because
Okay.
we want to create dimension. Since we have the red one, so the red one will have to be lower.
Okay.
So cut it this way,
Uh-huh.
okay? Oh, nice.
Was it
Nice,
same
girl.
way? Oh, you put
Yeah,
it
same way.
It's okay, right?
Okay, so next we take the red anthurium. We want to create dimension, so we
Okay.
want to put it a bit lower. So let's put it on the right side. Okay,
And diagonal. Okay.
okay, diagonal. Make it a bit
Shorter.
shorter. You do it this way. Yeah,
Oh my god.
yeah,
So cute.
nice. So now take the Mocara orchids, and what we want to do is we want to fill in the empty gaps.
Oh, in
Yeah,
between here.
In between.
Okay.
And the good thing is, don't be afraid to cut them half.
Oh, really?
Yeah, you can reuse them. Throw the one at the bottom. Yeah. Don't worry, sister.
Okay,
So you want to start filling in the gaps in the front.
How am I doing? How am I doing?
Oh, you're doing okay. Love, love, love. So we're gonna take the fern.
Okay.
Because they have like a lot of individual families.
Yes.
So you might wanna cut them.
Okay.
Cut them all together.
Okay.
Yeah. Because we're using all of it. So okay, you want to take the biggest.
Okay.
Okay. And you want to start covering the foam.
Oh,
Yeah.
so this is like the camouflage.
Yeah.
Got it.
It doesn't necessarily have to be on the bottom.
On the bottom.
Yeah, you can stand them up, use your creativity and see what works. Okay. So every time you poke a flower or whatever, just keep on going back and look at the arrangement as a whole. So maybe sometimes it doesn't look symmetrical. Or
It doesn't look symmetrical at all from the front. Oopsie.
So you might
It
want to
looks perfect from the back.
When you look at the shape of the dancing ladies, it's very beautiful.
Yeah.
It's very fragile. It has that droopy effect. So we want to take advantage of the shape.
Yeah.
So look back at your arrangement. Okay.
And see where it droops, is it?
And see where is the missing.
I think mine's here.
Yes. So do it there. Okay. Is it difficult?
No, it's actually... I think you just gotta trust yourself.
Correct.
It's like cooking, I guess, because you can adjust.
With flower arranging, there's no right or wrong, but it has to look beautiful as a whole.
Okay.
Yes, oh my god, it's perfect.
Yes.
Okay, so the final finishing touch.
Yeah?
Okay, grab your last greens.
Yeah.
Just fill in the gaps.
So these are great fillers. Oh, I didn't
They're
I
great,
always forget
they're
to
great.
get these actually. I think a lot of people
Yeah.
forget to get fillers for their bouquets.
Correct.
They only just go for the flowers.
Yep.
And then they're like, oh no, it looks empty.
Okay.
It is really looking super tropical. I'm loving this.
Yay!
Ta-da!
So there you go. Good job, Ili. I'm so proud of you. Wagi-wagi. Oh.
This is our tropical Christmas floral arrangement.
Woohoo!
So stay tuned. The next episode, we're going to show you how to set up a beautiful table and we're going to share some tips and tricks with you.
Yeah.